In this video, we will create a Python script to zip the directory. So I'm going to use gedit editor and I will call it zipit.py. And first I will import OS, and then from zip file, import zip file, and zip file name variable will be set to some zip file and dot zip. I will save the zip file as zip underscore file dot zip, and the directory name that you want to zip the content of. I will change this one. I will look up or create a new directory and add some few files to that directory, and then we will zip it. I will open another terminal window, new, and call it zip test mkdir zip test, and then I will move into this directory, cd into zip test, and over here I'm going to create a couple of files. Touch file 1, file 2, file 3. Just to make sure those files are created, I will list the content of zip test folder. Yeah, those are empty files. We're just testing that those files get zipped. So the folder name is zip test. So we need to come back to our editor and name it zip test. And now I'm going to create a function which will zip the content of the directory. So I'm just gonna do over here and def zip dir, and it will take directory and zip file zip, and inside it we are going to use loop to get the root, directories, and files in by calling os walk function and pass in directory, and in this for loop we are going to use for files, for file in files we are going to do zip write. We are going to write in it os.path and call join and give the root and also file name, so we get the whole path of file. This one over here. And now in our main function we can call this if name equal then underscore 2 underscore main and 2 underscore and then colon, and in our main function we are going to do zip file. So we are going continue over here. Just indent some. Okay, so zip file and call zip file and pass in our zip file name, zip file name, and open it for writing. So this will open a zip file for writing. The name of the zip file is over here, zip underscore file dot zip. And now we can call our zip dir function, zip dir, and pass in our directory name, dir name, and pass in our this zip file. So maybe zip file, and then we can close the zip file after this method done writing. So zip file dot close, and just need to save and check and run our program or our script. So this is saved. Now I'm going back to my home directory where our script is. From there we can run it. I can type Python, and after that zip underscore it dot py, and just hit enter, and I can list the content of my current directory to make sure there's a zip file created. It's over here, zip underscore file dot zip. We can see the content of this zip file by running the command unzip with -l option. I will just copy this zip file name and clear the screen and type over here unzip and then -l option, and over here next to it the zip file name that our script created, and just hit enter. You can see it is showing the content of zip file, so it worked and zipped those file 1, file 2, and file 3. So this zip file has those files. So this way you can use Python script to zip the whole directory. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.